Even feed foot, walking foot, sewing high loft batting. The even feed foot, which is sometimes called the walking foot, has special feed dogs, which feed multiple layers of fabric without shifting. It's recommended for sewing high loft fabrics and batting. By adjusting the needle position, you can use this foot for several other applications. To install the foot, you must first remove the foot and ankle of the all-purpose foot. In order for the even feed foot to work, the bar must be placed above the needle screw. Then, tighten the foot screw to ensure it is properly seated on the machine. Choose a straight stitch. We're sewing on high loft batting, so we've adjusted the stitch length to 2.8. As you sew, the feed dogs on the foot pull the fabric through at the same rate as the feed dogs underneath. When you're done, you have nice even stitches. When you layer certain fabrics like fleece or sheer fabric, they have a tendency to shift while being sewn, and you end up with one side longer than the other. The even feed foot walks both layers through at the same speed, so you end up with perfectly matching ends.